What's up, guys? This is Legend, and welcome back to the show where we talk about stocks, crypto, and energy. I know there's a lot of new traders out there that want to trade oil stocks, and let me tell you, trading it for about 3 years, I've learned a couple secrets. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite oil stocks. Stay tuned.
Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3, okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's working. Okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Well, you can always hear that anyway.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Legend, and today I'm going to show you what I think about oil stocks and how to trade them on the side, and where I see Shell, Mobil, Nine, and a couple other oil stocks where they're going to go this winter. Trust me, it's going to be big and it's going to be huge, and no one's talking about it besides me. Sub to my channel, hear my thoughts, keep up with me, hit that bell. This is probably one of the best oil stocks that no one is talking about, and it's making me super mad, and I'm making a video on it because that's how mad it's getting me. Everybody wants to talk about Tesla, Apple, and all that, but let me tell you something. Does your stock double in 2 or 3 weeks? Because I don't see Tesla doubling anytime soon. I don't see any other stocks doubling anytime soon. But oil stocks are crazy right now, and no one, look at this. Look, this was back in March, right? Back in March, I bought this sucker for 80 cents, 85 cents, because the Ukraine war was about to happen. And what do you think was going to happen? Oil was going to stay the same? No. I told my wife, hey, I'm dropping 10K into oil stocks. Yeah, she called me nuts. But when she woke up to $80,000 in a couple of days, yeah, I was the man for the house for a while, you know. But check it out. So I'm going to break it down for you. So what if I told you crude oil controls your oil stocks? So what I would suggest, to not make this video really long, is go down to dates in your trading view, look at dates, so like March 22nd right here, and then pull up crude oil, West Texas oil, if you don't know what that is. But look, so crude oil is sitting around $95 a barrel. You know, we were going up, probably from the stress of the Ukraine war, because people knew. But so crude oil was around $94 in March. I can't really hit it because the way it is. Yeah, there we go. And then we got this huge spike. Look what it did to the stock. Overnight. Can you imagine having $1 million and putting it in there and waking up to 10? Yeah, I would probably cry. But that's what nobody's talking about. And I would highly suggest this stock, you know, compare your dates to the oil, crude oil, and then compare it to your dates to your oil stock, and you can kind of see how the gains work with it. Now, I would highly suggest, you know, a couple of websites like this one. It's called Trading Economics. I would highly suggest using it for your phone. You can watch crude oil, natural gas, Brent, gasoline, all that good stuff. But the two main ones you want to watch is crude oil. Now, when you're watching crude oil, also pay attention to gasoline, check up on it. If it's spiking, crude oil is going to spike eventually. It gives you about 30 second, maybe 60 seconds head start on where you think crude oil is going to go if you decide to day trade. Like I said, I wouldn't day trade, honestly. That's just not my cup of tea for trading oil stocks, but it's on you, not trading advice. So let's look at this real quick. So you got your day chart. So the 27th, we got this jump, and then we got the fall, right, throughout the day. So jump, fall. So here you go. The jump and the fall. You see what I mean? Crude oil will go with your oil stocks. See what I'm talking about? Jump, downfall. Jump, downfall. Pretty simple. Now, you're probably asking, okay, where do you think crude oil is going to go? Now, for that, I would highly, highly suggest this. If it stopped lagging. There we go. Now, if you have TradingView, pull up West Texas and then go to this website for your news called oilprice.com. No, they're not sponsoring me. I just follow it because it gives you a good, pretty much bracket of what's going on and breaking news, alerts, popular stuff. And honestly, let me tell you where I think oil is going to go this winter. Now we hit major resistance, right? We're still in November, so we'll probably come down because of midterms, right? We'll probably come down here probably around 71, right? But let me tell you something. After midterms, things are going to get hot. Winter's going to come in. Nord Stream pipelines, you know, got blown up by Russia. So, you know, that's going to come in picture. Plus Germany, you know, with the oil and heating homes and gasoline, you're slowly going to get up and like get a breakout eventually. It's going to start making a new head. And then honestly, it's just going to keep on riding. And like how you see over there around the beginning around March where it just went up like this and it curved and then it spiked super hard, we're going to get that. And then we're going to get another downfall over time. So what do I think about Shell? Like I said, crude oil will probably pump it down to around probably about 49. And then within this winter, you're going to get a huge increase. So I would highly suggest holding Shell if you're into that. You know, honestly, I see it running to, you know, 80s. Just because I know crude oil is going to go back up to 110, maybe $115 a barrel. Phillips also, you know, it'll probably come back down around $100 a barrel when we get this drop in the oil. If we don't, then, you know, Phillips is going to go up to 150, 160 throughout probably December with the shortage of gas. Germany is dying for gas, and the Nord Stream pipeline blowing up is only going to make it worse. Phillips also, you know, with trading Phillips a lot, it has a weird drop off rate. So like you see these drops right here, it just goes bloop. So like I would think, you know, when we get this pullback in crude oil, it probably dropped down to maybe around 90. And then if you can pick this up for around 93, hold, and then just ride out the wave throughout December to probably 120, around 120. Now, same way with all the oil stocks, you know, you're going to get the drop when crude oil goes down, and then when it goes up, you get the run up. So always watch crude oil. That's pretty much it. But thanks, guys. If you guys can subscribe and help out a single father, that would be great. Catch you later.